everybody, to another video of SlimeRancher. Before I test anything, let me check if the microphone is working. Okay, it's working. Why did I click escape 2 times? Wait a second, guys. I'm gonna blow a balloon. I was blowing a balloon. Oh, this guy's trying to fight me. And he did. That's not fun. No. Not gonna let you do that to me. Okay, I want to get the map over there. How do I get the map? So I gotta go in here, slide myself into it, and a location unlocked. Shut up! Let's see what's inside. Seems like a cave. Gotta find it. It's raining really bad. Let me just check outside. I'm back. Entrance, try to enter. Okay, this really looks like an entrance. Let's enter. What's inside here? Another entrance. A entrance instead of entrance. Boom! Crystal slimes. Ain't no way! Boom and crystal slime. Who the heck are you? Hold up a second. Batty slime. A specialist stalker of the night, hungry, always for fruit. Fruit? I thought he liked meat and blood. Be careful, these times have known to explode. Just explodes. It's clear as shining, desperate rocks that these slimes are dangerous. Who needs heartbeats? I do actually need some. I want to ranch rock with angler slimes. If I said something different in the last video, I don't care. I'm good. No, don't want you on the treasure farm. Well, this is a heartbeat. Well, pretty much nothing. God, it's raining really bad outside. No, outside of the game, not inside. Angler, ouch, ouch. Is this normal water or water? Oh my god, the way the slime was ate was all destroyed. Gotta find the gold slimes and lucky slimes. Back to the main road. It was a fun time to stay in Ember Valley, but it was too good.
Hey.
Hey. It was nothing. I want to eat food. I'm so hungry and starving. That's how I just I had my mic far away this entire time. I did not know that. I'm a complete idiot. Sorry. Is that the one you want to post on my what? I almost said Minecraft video. I mean this is the biggest bullshit I've ever seen. Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them. Gotta smash them all, gotta smash them all. Gotta smash them all. Eat. 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 Oh my god, the rain over here is so intense. I'll give you an example. You hear that? The rain is going crazy. We got more largos now. Except this one. Okay, guys, if you want to die, die. Okay, just kidding. I'm having hiccups. Wait a second, I'm having hiccups. I'm gonna eat some sugar real quick. I'm back. That's another day of Skibbity Ohio Talk. I didn't even mention. Looks like we completed the thing over here. Where's my delicious eggs? There's no eggs. I'm gonna be turned to scramble eggs, okay? Where's the furnace? Okay, guys. I better stop saying about eating slimes. Now I just feel like a murderer. If you hear cuts when I'm talking it's because I was having hiccups. Now you know why I was hiccuping. Dun, 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 dun. A bell. Whatever, I'll buy. Okay, that's what you get for trying to escape. That slime when he was on a chair, it was so cute. His eye was just big and swollen. I better stop. What are you looking at? Was that an egg? I'll cook you alive. Okay, this is a slime. This is a chicken, not a slime. So I can cook them. Elder Hoostro. Oh, I'm old. I'm gonna die. Help. Yeah, I'm gonna die today. Stop escaping, also. Awesome. Finally, there we go. Oh, oops. Man, I suck in that. Another message. What was that? Oh yeah. Let's also do the cotton version. First, I gotta feed my slimes. I need 10 cotton plugs. What should I buy? I'll buy both. Gotta get some money again. I don't really remember this place being this pink. And why are the clouds pink? So pink. Slime fall. Oh, come on. You're telling me slimes are falling from the sky? Wait, if I look at the sky, a slime will... Look at this! It's a dream come true! Look! They're coming down like freaking meteors! Did you know how rain is produced? It's pretty much made from a bunch of water. I guess so it's pretty much a bunch of like slime. I think that's how the slime fall was created. Okay, I got 10 cotton plugs and a little bit of money. Oh, should I say plugs? That was such a close one. Alright, time to sell these plugs. I mean, time to put these plugs. And harvester. But this is gonna be also the end of the video because I'm not feeling really the mood to play SlimeRancher, but I will make an early video at like maybe like 8 a.m. or maybe like 9 a.m. I don't know. A little bit more earlier because well, it's a surprise for you guys. So, bye bye.